Hey, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sadie, and on this channel we do a lot of beauty videos, fashion hauls, lots of fashion hauls, some lifestyle travel vlogs. But on today's video we are going to be doing a hair review, and I'm going to be showing you guys this cute get up and go unit from my friends over at Gorgius Hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to shop this unit, you guys can click the link in my description box. Everything is going to be there. Let them know that I went ahead and sent you guys over. There's going to be a coupon code, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I put this unit on. It was so easy to install, and when I tell y'all I love this is like so perfect for the summer. Like, I'm really busy with work, content, school, so like having a unit like this is just perfect. Like, it's so cute. I love it, and this is like different from like my typical little styles that I like to wear. So I'm a big curly hair person, but I've never done it like this. So I really like this. Y'all can see how I like funked it up, kind of like how and what I like about this unit is like how you can like play with it. You can kind of just like do whatever you want to do to it. So at this point, I've already tamed it a little bit. Like, I didn't want it to be too tamed, but I did want it to like look a little bit more calm than it looks straight out the pack. But you can kind of decipher how you want to do it. But this is just how I decided to play with it, and I really like it. So make sure you guys go ahead and shop them. In the next clips of this video, you guys are going to be seeing how I installed this hair. So thank you guys so much to my friends over at Gorgius for sponsoring this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next clip. Hey y'all, as y'all can see by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a hair video sponsored by my friends over at Gorgius. So, kind of already introduced them to you guys, but I'm kind of going to show you guys what comes in the box. First of all, I love this super cute iridescent box. It got a like dent in it, but I think that just came from like the post office. But really cute. Love the box. I love when I get cute boxes because I have a lot of stuff, so I always get to use my boxes again for like storage or whatever the case may be. So yeah, make sure y'all thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe. All the details are going to be linked in the description box, so don't miss out. So first things first, look at that bag. Really cute little dust bag, and you can keep this for your wig when you're ready to like reuse it. So you can keep it. It says their name on it. It says Defy and Define. Really cute. We'll get into that. But I got a wig cap, which I'm gonna use because I need the wig cap. And I like that because it comes with my thing, and it comes with like a little Ziploc bag, which is good because you can take this on the road with you when you're like going on trips and stuff. And what came in it was an elastic band, hair clips. Always need them. I love these pink little hair clips and a purple one. They also gave me an edge brush. You always need this. I know I always need it. And some hair clips. How cute. So I love that. So thanks guys for sending me this. Bless you, baby. Okay, so here we go. Here's the wig. This is what it comes in. Really cute. I think it's their, I'm not gonna lie and say which wig I believe this is, but I'm just gonna say it across the screen because I get it. So this is how it comes. It comes in a net, and I love this wig. I've already tried it on. So it comes in a net, which is good because it kind of holds the hair together. But okay, this is the back of the wig, right? I just kind of wanted to show you guys, and this is the front. This is how it looks. Let me back it up so you guys can kind of see. You can't really get the feel of it until you actually put it on. But this is how it comes. And then let me open it up so you guys can kind of see. So it got clips in it. It has a band. Let me show y'all. So this is how it is in the inside. It has a black elastic band, which makes your wig sit tighter. It has like a clip in here that make your wig like fit closer to your head, and then it also has like clips right here that you could put on your hair right there. And in the back, I think that's 3 clips. But look at the texture of this hair. It's so soft. It's so bouncy. So cute. I love it. So, and I like this because I've been really into low maintenance hairdos. So I was actually really happy when they reached out to me, because I'm like, girl, yes, like I need some low maintenance wigs. I like to get up and go. I've been working out, you know, trying to get fine, just period. Not even summertime fine, just trying to get more healthier, focus on a more healthier lifestyle. So I'm really happy to be working with them, because I love this wig. And wait till y'all see what she's giving. This is the natural state of the hair. And this is how the front looks. You see, it's like a bob cut kind of wig. This is the texture. Kind of want to make sure you guys see that curl pattern. Really cute. And look at that. So we're gonna put this on, but I want to show you guys what I'm gonna use on it. I'm not gonna use much product because you don't need much product for it. But I'm just gonna use, I have a like rat tail comb, which is, I got hair in it, y'all. And then I'm using, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this conditioner, quenching conditioning curls conditioner, and then just a little bit of water, and that's it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the cap that they bought me in my hair. I just washed my hair and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this cap and just pull it back, and then I'll be right back and we can go ahead and chop it up.
What I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
And guys, so now that I have the wig on, what I'm doing is going in the back to clip it. Hook that clip back there. Ooh, y'all, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Okay. And look how versatile it is. Like if you kind of wanted to pull it back and kind of adjust this edges portion, you would probably even do that as well. So I'm gonna clip it in the front. Ouch. I just got my nails done today. Okay, so we're gonna clip it right there. That hurt, my nail hurt. Ooh, this is so sexy. And I did bring a pair of scissors just in case I wanted to trim that top from the front of my hair a little bit, just so like you guys can kind of see my face. But this is the like initial look. This is the fresh out of the bag look, and it is giving. It's giving. So what I'm gonna do, let's see, I'm just gonna tease it out a little bit like this, and I just want to tame it just a little bit because it's wild hair, but I love big hair. So I'm gonna take my scissors and like this little piece right here, Miss Mama's, she gotta go. Okay, so just kind of let you guys see the face. I'm gonna take a little bit of hit it with a little water, and look how that pops right out. Look at that. So as y'all can see, like this is the side. I tamed this side a little bit more with a little conditioner and water, and then this side is more still like just poofy. So I think I'm gonna do the same over here. It's kind of gonna go like just a little, you know, make it a little wild. And all you really have to do with this hair is like, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna twist it back and I'm gonna go like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this hair and I'm going to thin this out. I got some bigger shears now. Maybe. I don't think this is gonna meant to be cut. Okay, so now I can kind of see. I'm trying to, you know how you gotta figure out how you're gonna like, you know, you gotta get right. And that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm just molding the hair as far as like everything, like how is she gonna be. But I definitely want some breathing room for this front portion. Okay, girl. So let's get into it. And then the beautiful part about this hair is too, like if you can see a little bit, if you guys can see, like you see me like playing with it like this, pulling this front portion here, it's kind of like giving like part down the middle vibes. You know, just like really easy hair. That's the name of the game, easy hair. So yeah, I like it. It's giving like purple rain. Okay, so let me play with this hair some more and kind of figure out what I'm gonna do about my bang, and we're gonna go from there. So I'll see you guys in a second. But yeah, the link is gonna be in the description box to purchase this hair. Okay, so let me get my hair right and then I'll talk to you guys in a second.